Can you believe there's a queen-size bed inside this cabinet? This is what you need when you need a spare bed, but you don't want to give up a room for a spare bed. This cabinet bed is currently on special. What do you get? You get a choice of 6 different colors, upgraded front panel design, USB charging on the side, as well as an upgraded aloe vera mattress. You can take this piece of furniture, change your craft room, your exercise room, or your den into a sleep studio in 30 seconds or less. This is how. The bottom drawer pulls out. This drawer can handle 600 pounds, so it's perfect for your linens, for comforters, anything you need to store, perfect place for it. It's nice and big. Top opens up, latch on one side, latch on the other, and the front panel drops down. We have 2 kickstands, one on either side. We flip that over, creating our sleep base. Give a little pull on the mattress, and voila, your sleep studio is set up. One of the cool features, if you notice on top, nothing moved. So you can leave a TV up there, printer, books, art, whatever you need to leave in that room can stay there right on top. This set comes with a aloe vera gel Canadian made mattress, which if you're using this at the lake is perfect because it's going to sleep a little bit cooler than a regular foam mattress. Conveniently located over on the side of the cabinet, you have 2 USB ports as well as plug-in chargers, because most likely when you put that cabinet to the wall, it's going to block the power. And let's face it, when we're traveling and we need a place to crash, we do need to charge our cell phones. CabinetBed is the only Canadian-made, solid wood, space-saving sleep solution on the market. We have these on our floor and would love to discuss how they can transform your spare room space.